Hello friends, welcome to Write with Ansifa. English Grammar, Articles, Part 4. When do we not use articles? Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to Write with Ansifa yet, please subscribe to support our channel and help us create more free English grammar lessons. Thank you. Bell, subscribe. Write with Ansifa. Let's get started. Welcome back. So far, we have learned how to use a, an, and the. But did you know that there are many situations where we do not use any article at all? This is called the zero article. A zero article means no article is used before the noun. Many English learners make mistakes because they add a, an, or the where no article is needed. In this lesson, we will learn the most common situations where we should not use articles. Rule 1. Do not use articles before most proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. Examples: Ali, Rahul, Aisha, India, Kerala, Japan, Monday, January. Correct sentences: Rahul is my friend. Aisha is reading a book. India is a beautiful country. We will meet on Monday. My birthday is in January. Rule 2. Do not use articles before most languages. Examples: English, Hindi, Arabic, French, Malayalam. Correct sentences: I am learning English. She speaks Arabic very well. They are studying French. Incorrect. Crossmark the English is easy. Correct. Checkmark English is easy. Rule 3. Do not use articles before school subjects. Examples: mathematics, science, English, history, geography. Correct sentences: Mathematics is my favorite subject. Science helps us understand nature. History teaches us about the past. Incorrect. Crossmark the mathematics is difficult. Correct. Checkmark mathematics is difficult. Rule 4. Do not use articles before meals. Examples: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Correct sentences: We had breakfast at 8 o'clock. They are eating lunch. Our family has dinner together every evening. However, if you are talking about a particular meal, you may use the example: The dinner we had yesterday was delicious. Here, we are talking about one specific dinner. Rule 5. Do not use articles before games and sports. Examples: cricket, football, tennis, chess, basketball. Correct sentences: I enjoy playing cricket. She likes football. They play chess every weekend. Incorrect. Crossmark the cricket is interesting. Correct. Checkmark cricket is interesting. Rule 6. Do not use articles before general plural nouns. When speaking about all people or things in general, we usually do not use an article. Examples: dogs are loyal animals. Teachers help students learn. Birds can fly. Flowers make gardens beautiful. But if we are talking about a specific group, we use the example: The dogs in my neighbor's house bark every night. Here, we mean only those particular dogs. Rule 7. Do not use articles before uncountable nouns when speaking generally. Examples: water, milk, rice, sugar, honesty, love, information. Correct sentences: Water is essential for life. Honesty is the best policy. Sugar tastes sweet. Information is important. But when referring to something specific, we use the example: The water in this bottle is cold. Now we are talking about one particular bottle of water. Common mistakes. Let's correct some common mistakes. Crossmark the India is a large country. Checkmark India is a large country. Crossmark I like the English. Checkmark I like English. Crossmark we had the breakfast. Checkmark we had breakfast. Crossmark children need the love. Checkmark children need love. These mistakes are very common among beginners, but once you know the rules, they become easy to avoid. Quick practice 1. Crossmark the India is beautiful. Checkmark India is beautiful. 2. Crossmark I study the mathematics. Checkmark I study mathematics. 3. Crossmark we ate the lunch at noon. Checkmark we ate lunch at noon. 4. Crossmark the dogs are faithful animals. Checkmark dogs are faithful animals. 5. Crossmark she speaks the English. Checkmark she speaks English. Excellent! You have now learned an important part of English grammar, when not to use articles. In the next lesson, we will learn special cases and exceptions, where the usual rules change. These exceptions often appear in conversations, books, exams, and competitive tests, so understanding them will help you speak and write English more confidently. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.